it's like in the day of a small-time content creator that still works a full-time job, but everything else still has to be done. So first step, we've got to go grab the basket of clothes that's already folded and put it away. Maybe start some laundry. So come on. Today I've got a lot of stuff we need to do. I have this video to record. I have the one on my computer I need to edit, and all the other stuff that comes from having a day off. Right now, that means putting clothes up, and then the next thing is putting laundry away. To make sure that I have everything that I want to bring for Alaska, because we have that coming up fast, and it's like we need to start packing. Normally I would have already started packing by now, so it is very much like I need to go through everything here, make sure I'm gonna grab anything that we need and take it over there. I'm so excited, and I'm trying to see if we need any last minute items. Do y'all take travel like board games if you know you're gonna be like in the airport a lot? So for reference, my mom is coming on this trip. So it's me, my mom, and Jason. And I was wondering, should we bring travel board games? Maybe Scrabble or something like that. I don't know, because normally when we travel, we have a bigger group. So those who want to like talk can talk, and those who want to like not talk cannot talk. Our airport day getting there to Seattle is probably going to be 9 hours, because it's a 5+ hour flight, plus we need to get to the airport super early because of all the stuff that's happening with TSA. What would I bring? What do y'all think we need to bring? Anything specific that you recommend? Do you recommend, like, Jason mentioned Cards Against Humanity, but then he's like, you kind of get loud doing that. Anyone's done a cruise to Alaska, we are going on Princess. So I've only done one Princess cruise, and I've never gone to Alaska before. So I don't know, what did y'all wear for formal night? Like, I hear everyone say that you don't dress up as much for formal night. So Jason's bringing a pair of slacks and maybe a button-up shirt. I don't see any issue with that. But the issue is me. Like, do I bring a pair of slacks? Do I bring, like, a nice dress? What about non-formal nights? I don't know. I'm so excited. Also, something for Seattle we're thinking about doing, because we don't have one in our area, is Din Tai Fung. Like, what you order there. Like, I know the soup dumplings are really good. I know the chocolate xiaolong bao are good. I've heard good things about the string beans. What do y'all do? I'm so excited. And whatever Seattle recommendations, drop them in the comments. Next thing that y'all are not gonna be able to see is picking up the dirty clothes, because we didn't have a basket to put them in, so they're on the floor. Okay, we've got the basket of dirty clothes together. Let me go start this load. It's probably gonna be multiple loads, but then I also want to strip the bed. But we got a new king bed about a little over a year ago. We got a really thick mattress, and I wanted to set of sheets, and stupid me, I haven't had that many mattresses in my life, but I got sheets that said fits up to whatever 16 inches, and our bed is 16 inches, but just because it barely fits doesn't mean it fits well. So we've got all these like little stretchy connectors. Let me take one off, I'll show you. This is how our sheets stay on. We have them like connected through this, and it's not horrible. It makes me not want to change the sheets. So that will be my next step. We do have another set, so I can throw these in while I have the other laundry washing and still have a set of sheets on the bed. So let's get that done. Laundry time. Let's strip the bed. The bed is stripped. Let's go. I'm gonna take all this to the washer, but I can't. My hands are gonna be full, so you can just stay here. I I just moved the clothes from the washer to the dryer. I've taken my morning medicine and finally got the sheets on the bed. I hate changing the sheets. I had to find the pillowcases that semi-matched because the ones that were on there did not match. So I've got the comforter in the washer, my first set of clothes in the dryer, and now it is time to edit. Let's go. I'm still working on editing. I just moved to a new place. Everyone's gone for the day. So I've done my first complete run through of the video I am editing. I've got it down to a little over 10 minutes. So we're going to go back through, see if I need to add some music and see how long this takes me. But I've been working on this for probably 2 hours to edit, which is one of the reasons, like, I would love to post more than once a week for a video, but it just takes so long to sit down and edit it. I have so many pauses in the way I talk and like trying to gather my thoughts that there's a lot of editing that goes into this, and this is a vlog with a lot of time lapses. I've got the laundry still going in the laundry room, but now because I'm in the kitchen I can actually hear when it stops. Let me see if I need to do any voiceovers for this because there's a lot of hyperlapse or time lapse going on. Let me see what we can do. I've still been editing, but in between that I've been working on my budget because I need to make a little room for the next couple of weeks to get my checking account back to where I like it. So that's part of what I'm working on. Still editing. I have gone through a couple times, but now I'm just going back and doing the absolute final touches, the last little edits, the last, adding the music and all of that. I'm almost done and it might be time for some lunch, although because I've been drinking my coffee I'm not really hungry, so we shall see. I have been here a very long time. I've had calls from my family. Family has come home. I need to go check the dryer to get the comforter in the dryer. Oh, I need to do that right now. But I also got done editing. I thought I was done. I clicked export and apparently I had used a pro sound 3 or 4 times through the video. I have to go back and redo that. I think I'm gonna finish this and then go do laundry because more family is about to come home. So oh my gosh, it's 1:30. I'm so hungry. I've been working on this for so long. I just gotta go back and change the music and then I will be ready to export and schedule all of this, and then I have to do all of the extra stuff. This has been my day. It's constant like note taking and being on the computer, and thankfully my computer has a battery that lasts a while, so I don't have to worry about going and being next to a charger. I went walking in these in Amarillo and I got red dirt on them the first time I wore them. They're not horrible. I will probably send them through again. Everything else is just optional. I have to have the comforter done. So let's get this in the washer. This will be the last load I need to do today. I gotta have the comforter cleaned, but it's only like 2 in the afternoon. I finally got all of the video edited, thankfully completed, so now I can go eat because I have not eaten. I'm very hungry now. I finished my coffee probably 2 hours ago, so it is very much time to get something to eat, but I will probably either eat leftovers or some ramen that I got yesterday. So let's go. Sometimes life really do be lifing, well, my husband just called me and his truck is not running right. It's old. We're trying to buy him a new one, but he thinks his alternator is going out, so he's gonna have to get towed over 50 miles home, and I need to go buy him an alternator. This is a new addition to the day. This is not a fun thing. Let's go. Okay, the car is fixed. I am gross, and it only took 2 hours plus the couple hours it took for him to get towed home. Thankfully, it is done, so his car is working again for now. But this is why we're trying to buy a new car, because we've put so much work and time and effort into this vehicle. Shower time. I have so much grease on me, it's not even funny. It's been a day. This is what happens when life happens. It has been a day. I am clean again. I'm trying to not itch where the mosquitoes got me. It's one of those days you're like, okay, today's gonna be calm, today's gonna be easy, and then you end the day and you're like, I did not anticipate laying across a motor while I'm trying to force an alternator in. That was not on my to-do list for today. Thank you for joining me today, and if you've made it this far, maybe drop a little car emoji in the comments to show that you've made it. But I hope everyone's day was good. Thank you for watching.